Good morning Indonesia, good morning the world. Today we are with Papa Nengah Wagi, the beekeeper of Selumbu. I can't talk too much, make too much actions, because we are in the middle of all the bees and the hives. Alright, let's have a look. Selamat pagi Nenek. Iya.
Ini karu.
It's real rice, real flavor.
Sayur,
Vegetables,
sayur,
eggplants, chilies,
chilies,
coconut,
terong,
more flavors,
terong,
sambal,
telur,
haha, boiled eggs. Nene is mantap.
Yes.
Ada motor.
This is Kakemangku. He works all the time. No day off. The only time he doesn't work, he drinks. He drinks the juice from the tree. We call it tuak. It contains a little bit of alcohol. It's like the beer for us, basically. And your man, and his dragon fruit tree only gives maybe one dragon fruit a year. Because you need to put the light at night so the insect comes. And your man is the owner of this big house, big huge house. He's super rich. This guy is super rich. Tomatoes already have a few flowers coming up, fruits coming up as well. Pretty soon, what we got as well? We got eggplants, boop, and watermelon. Yeah, a few things going on. Busy morning in the house.
Itu mana cat?
You always crack me up. So there is around 50, 60 hives around here. And we're going to open one just for you. Man, I put myself in danger.
Sudah.
Sudah. Protections on because they're not really happy about what's happening this morning. I hope I'm not gonna get stung before the end.
Kurang bagus ya.
They're not
Hari
happy
ini kurang
today.
bagus.
This morning they're not really happy. They keep on stinging him.
Dia nyengat terus. Biasanya agak ramah dia. Sayang juga ya. Biasanya ramah. Kemarin ramah, 2 hari yang lalu ramah.
Yesterday was pretty good. This morning was not so good.
Nah, dia nyengat ya.
Yeah.
Sore coba. Panas sekali. Ada hari yang kurang bagus.
He keeps on laughing because they keep stinging him. I don't know what's going on with this morning, he says.
Dia cukup banyak. Cukup banyak di sini.
There's all the goodness coming out.
150.000 per kilo.
Let's try this little beauty. Come on, autofocus. This one I made from the coconut pollen, coconut tree. They're pretty good. So juicy. It's really good. Even the wax is good. Hello kids.
Anak-anak kamar mimpi.
Pulang sekolah.
So that was my little promotion about the honey. We're gonna do that. It will be part of the business because you gotta try that honey. It's really good. I still have lots of wax in my mouth. Oh my god, that's really good. So there it is. This was our honey vlog number 10. Not too bad, not too bad. I didn't get stung. Well, the day is not finished yet. So, thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe. And soon I'm going to announce you the scaling for probable sort of crowdfunding like thingy. And you'll be able to help this project for that valley and receive some honey. No money, no honey, guys. All right. Thank you very much. That's a lot of coconut skin. Love you. You take care. You have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye. Maybe because it's of my fault. Who knows? I do.